why is topic clustering becoming a bit of a buzzword in the SEO world and the internet marketing world? Well, here's how I see it. Topic clustering. Imagine you've got a person in a pub, or maybe they're even sober, who, has a drink. You know that person who just keeps on explaining the same point over and over in different ways, never stopping to let you speak. That's really why topic clustering in marketing is needed. If you want to get a point across, you don't say the same thing 10 times. 3 will do. Imagine writing pages for the terms house purchase, buying a home, residential property, and buy a house. Really, you do that just to please a search engine, but they're all the same concept. They're all exactly the same idea. So now if you think about the user coming along and trying to talk about all these ideas or seeing which page they need to read, they can't, because it doesn't really tell them where the authority is in the content that you've written. They've got 4. They're never going to find the right one. If they do find the right one, they're never going to read all 4 of them. So you're really, splattergunning ideas. But if you think about the phrase buying a home with a potential buyer in mind, a homeowner or homeowner to be, and then buying a home with a mortgage professional in mind, now you've completely changed the equation. And if I could type that and spell that right, I'll get that right next time. Changes the equation. And so now you've got a search term, but a different audience. So you end up with very, very different content with the same person, same keyword. And this is why topic clustering is really important. So how does Inlinks try and deal with that? Well, I've just taken DixonJones.com, which is not a particularly well organized site because it's gone, about best part of 20 years of me just writing any old stuff. But it's tried to figure out the clusters that I most think about, and it's come up with a topic cluster around SEO, another around Google, another around links. I used to be the marketing director of Majestic, and now topics. That's great. So it's come up with the right kind of ideas. So it's grouped the things that I'm talking about and come up with ideas and plans for what to write about next, but they're clustered. So let's take links, for example. There's a bunch of ideas in here, and it's tried to order which ones I should be talking about. I found link context interesting because I went to link context, and the second one down, which is only a medium relevance, so it's not that important, was a thing called link context WCAG. I thought that was a typo. I thought that was our system going wrong, but no, that's the w3.org accessibility guidelines, which I should have known, but I didn't. So that could be important. But you go to these ideas, and it tries to give some concepts that we need to talk about, and it tries to plan around topics and concepts, and you group them together because an individual, a user, is only trying to find out about that particular part of your business at that particular time. You do not really want them to go off into all the other bits of your business. If you're Amazon, they either want to buy a book or they want cloud services. They probably don't want both. That's why you do topic clustering.